Hey ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another episode of the Anabolic Foodie Show. In this channel, we're going to be making tasty anabolic meals and snacks that's going to help you lose weight. We're also going to be doing and reviewing other people's anabolic recipes and doing anything in the fitness industry. These are replacement meals and snacks for the high calorie foods that's going to ruin your diet. That's what the anabolic diet does, is to satisfy the cravings of the high calorie foods so you won't need a cheat meal. All of my recipes got low calories, high protein, and a lot of flavor. Most of my recipes got similar macros to the chicken, rice, and veggie meals. If you're eating chicken, rice, and veggies back to back every single day and you don't get tired of it, this video may not be for you. More chicken, rice, and veggies for you. But for most of us, we're gonna get tired of the diet sooner or later, and we're gonna want that cheat meal. If you follow the chicken, rice, and veggie diet, that diet's going to work. I guarantee you that. The thing that sucks about the chicken, rice, and veggie diet is that you have to follow it for it to work. But the anabolic diet works the same ways, guys. You have to follow it for it to work. Also, what I notice is when you start eating the same thing back to back every single day, that's when you start craving the cheat meals. If you're gonna eat a cheat meal, you're gonna ruin your diet and you're gonna notice it on your physique. If you're watching this video, it's because we have similar goals, and that's either to lose weight or to stay fit. Our goal is not to eat good, guys. Our goal is to lose weight. But the anabolic diet lets you eat as good as possible while still losing weight. This diet has a lot of recipes that will crush that craving and not make you want a cheat meal. So in today's episode, we're gonna be crushing one of your McDonald's breakfast English McMuffin sandwich cravings with the anabolic one. Okay guys, let's get going. Okay guys, first thing is first, get your food scale ready with the bowl. For our first ingredient, we're gonna need 230 grams of 100% liquid egg whites. Remember guys, 230 grams. All right, let's go. Remember guys, 230 grams, okay? Also, don't forget to preheat your pan for medium-high heat, and we're gonna throw this bad boy in there and let it cook in a circle. For our next ingredient, we're gonna need Thomas English McMuffins, 100 calories a piece. Okay guys, remember, one English McMuffin. All right, let's go. Our next step is to open it up. You know, you can do it with your hands. I mean, a knife helps a lot, but if you don't have one, just open it with your hands and put it in the toaster. I recommend toasting it, okay guys? For our next ingredient, we're gonna need one piece of turkey bacon, Oscar Mayer's, 35 calories a piece. And I already cooked mine. I already have a meal prep because I meal prep all my bacon. I put it in almost every single thing. Okay guys, so I mean, I'm pretty sure you guys know how to cook bacon. When your skillet is nice and hot, just put oil spray on it, and then put the egg in there and wait for it to cook. All right. Okay guys, it's ready to flip, and let's get it to the other side. See? All right. Okay guys, our egg just came out. It's already done, and let's get to the next step. All right, let's go. For our next ingredient, we're gonna need one slice of Velveeta cheese, 35 calories a piece. All right, let's go. Okay guys, we got our bacon and our English McMuffins already toasted, and let's assemble our sandwich, and we're almost pretty much done. All right guys, let's go. Okay guys, all we gotta do is get our egg and fold it in 4 ways, like this and like that, and put it on top of our sandwich. Then we get our cheese and put it on top of the egg, and we get our bacon, we split it in half and put it like this, and just put our bun on top, and we got ourselves a sandwich. Look at this. This thing is so delicious. Can't wait for you guys to try my food out, guys. All right, let's go. Let's get to the next step. Just trying it out. That's the next step. All right, guys. All right, guys. It's taste test time. Let's try this English McMuffin sandwich from McDonald's, or for me, but you know, the anabolic version. All right, let's try this bad boy out. And here we go. Cheers, guys. Guys. Oh my god, this is good. If somebody handed this to me and told me it was English McMuffin from like McDonald's, I wouldn't even know the difference. It tastes so similar. It tastes really, really similar to the one from McDonald's, guys. Oh man. Let's try another bite, guys. This sandwich is delicious. I've been eating this for a while now. I don't get tired of this sandwich, but I do like breakfast sandwiches from McDonald's, so that's why I'm trying to recreate all of them, because they're so good. I love them a lot, so I mean, hopefully you guys do too, and if you guys do, you guys will really like this sandwich, I swear. All right, let's try another bite. This English McMuffin breakfast sandwich is to die for. Guys, we got a winner chicken dinner. Just kidding, no more chicken dinners for me, guys. I'm replacing the chicken dinners with English McMuffin breakfast sandwiches. Guys, if you do it the same way that I did it with the same ingredients and everything, it's only 295 calories, 34 grams of protein, 4 grams of fat, 8 grams of fiber, and 29 grams of carbs. And those macros are not too chubby if you ask me. This sandwich is gonna be like the potato chip. I bet you just can't eat one. And if you just ate one, it's because you did it wrong. Okay guys, comment below how much you guys like the sandwich, and also comment below how much weight you guys started to lose, and I'll comment to everyone back. Okay guys, these recipes take a long time to make and they're hard to figure out, and I had to pay for everything out of pocket. So if you want to support me, I do have this recipe in my cookbook, and I'll put a link on the description box below for purchase. If you want me to work on any specific recipe, please comment below and I'll work really hard on it. If you guys want to make more of my recipes, please check out one of my other recipe videos. Okay guys, remember, till next time, all those trying to subscribe, share, like, and buy. Till next time, Manny out.